Morning, Adrian at F5ECC. Here we've got a beautiful Mercedes AMG GT Coupe. This is stunning, 4 litre petrol, 56,000 on the clock, 2016 model. The shape of this model is absolutely beautiful. I've put some pictures in the comments for you to have a look at. General preventative maintenance clean on this one. A little bit of rumble to that engine, and it's a beautiful sounding engine anyway, but a little bit of bass noise that's excessive on that. That's certainly smoothed out and quietened down now. Beyond that, they're pretty much trouble free on the diagnostics and running beautifully. Just needed a clean up. Yeah, absolutely stunning example of a great car. And yeah, take a look through the pictures in the comments. It's a really beautiful car, this.